I'm Bobby Flay.
And I'm Michael Symon.
We're best friends.
But super competitive.
Especially when it comes to barbecue.
Oh, I just beat Bobby Flay.
I've already won.
We have invited the biggest names in the business to Austin, Texas for the ultimate barbecue brawl.
Awesome. I've never seen that. This guy can barbecue.
Yeah.
We're each going to pick our teams, fight to gain them advantages.
I got a recipe from a 1932 original Bobby Flay cookbook.
Dude, you're not that much younger than me. And mentor them along the way. It's not that hard. Let them know you're here.
Every episode, one contender from each team will go home.
The burnt end really is a burnt end.
So only one is left.
Woo! Yeah, let's do it.
Winning the coveted title, Master of Q.
Woo!
Oh, you're going to pay for that one.
Welcome, everybody. How you guys doing?
Amazing.
I'm Bobby Flay, and of course you know my good friend and fellow Iron Chef, Michael Symon. The two of us have done a lot of things together over the years, but never anything quite like this. When Michael and I were trying to decide where to have this barbecue competition, first place we both thought of was Austin, Texas, because it's really hard to beat the barbecue they do here.
So we brought you here to the Star Hill Ranch for the ultimate barbecue brawl.
Over the next 4 days, we're going to put your barbecue and grilling skills to the test. What's at stake? Winning the coveted title, Master of Q, and star in your own series across Food Network Digital.
Why don't I get that title?
Nobody wants Cleveland barbecue. Sorry. Stop it.
I can't help myself.
These pitmasters are top-notch in their craft. And so to be Food Network's Master of Q, it's everything.
You guys are going to be divided into two teams. Team Bobby, also known as the losing team, or Team Michael. It's pretty evident whose team you all want to be on.
And since only one person can win, it's also a competition between the two of us. So we're going to be mentoring, cheering you on. We're here to get you to the finish line.
So before Bobby and I can pick our teams, what we really need to do is taste your food. Today we're taking it back, way back, for where barbecue started for most of us, the backyard. So we have all the basics in here. Hot dogs, hamburgers, chicken, sausages, steaks, you name it, we got it.
Man, I love cooking in the backyard. I mean, that's what I grew up doing, so not a problem. I got this in the bag.
We're going to give you guys 30 minutes to grill up your best backyard barbecue bite. So this is really your chance to showcase your style and your ambition to win this competition. You can use anything you find in the pantry, obviously.
Based on what you present to us, Bobby and I are going to pick our teams.
You guys ready?
Yes.
All right. 30 minutes on the clock. Go.
Good luck, guys.
Oh, shoot, what am I getting even? I don't even know what I'm grabbing. What the hell? There's the world that I know, like my usual home, business, kids, husband.
Move it.
I feel like I can't even process what's actually happening.
Kevin, you got strips over there? What do you have?
Tri-tip, and I just cut it up a little bit.
Slow down, Kevin.
I'm used to low and slow, but I'm trying to rush it for y'all.
My backyard barbecue vibe is just chilling, so everybody just sitting back, got some blues going, some good cognac.
You got a shot of Hennessy over there for me?
A shot of Hennessy? Anytime you want it.
Compton in the house, man.
I'm Kevin Bledsoe, the Compton Cowboy. Bledsoe's Barbecue Restaurant. We won so many numerous awards. Competition barbecue is different than restaurant. This is a new experience for me, and I'm looking forward to the challenge.
Kevski, what's up?
A little quick smoked Pico de Gallo.
Okay.
To go on my Santa Maria tri-tip, you know what I mean?
All right, good.
I like Mike and I like Bobby. Of course, Bobby from grilling and chilling, but then Mike got that bald head swag. I'll be honored to be on either one of their teams.
When I think of backyard barbecue, I think of something you can hold in your hand, take a bite, drink a beer, hang out by the pool, whatever it is. Ribeye. One of my favorite things to do is a ribeye steak. The part I love the most is that tender, fatty piece of meat on the top, the ribeye cap. It's getting real! My name is Joe Pierce. I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. I have won a ton of awards. I can't even count them anymore. My restaurant, Slaps Barbecue, is one of the fastest growing barbecue restaurants in the country.
Joe.
What do you got going, Joe?
Man, I'm going to make a ribeye cap slider for you guys. I'll put them on a bun with a little sautéed peppers and onions on top.
That sounds pretty damn good to me.
I really want to be on Michael's team. I like that dynamic he has with razzing people. He'd be a great coach.
You making a meatball over there?
Yes, sir.
Uh-oh.
When I think backyard barbecue, I think back to barbecues with my family as a kid, and it was cheeseburgers. I'm roasting the peaches in the grill right now. I would call my barbecue style modern American with a twist. Hi, I'm Susie Bullock from Lehigh, Utah. I've been a part of breaking 2 grilling-related Guinness World Records. My website, Hey Grill Hey, has millions of people that visit every single month.
Are you drinking this or cooking with it?
I'm cooking with it.
All right, Susie.
I'm doing a grilled peach and bourbon barbecue sauce to go with some cheese stuffed meatballs.
Are you going to have enough time to cook these meatballs?
They're on.
Oh, they're on.
The first thing I got on.
I am impressed, Susie.
Hey, grill, hey.
Hey, grill, hey! Michael Symon knows my website. Michael Symon has created a Cleveland style of barbecue. And for someone like me that comes from a state that also may not have a barbecue history, I'm kind of pulling Team Michael.
Ribeye. Me being from New York, I'm always eating on the go. I don't feel like you have to be from Tennessee or Texas to have good barbecue. Woohoo! I heard that in New York. Backyard Guys is doing it every day. Yeah, baby. I'm Phil the Grill Johnson. I'm originally from the Bronx, but now I live in Phoenix, Arizona. I have won some real significant awards. Barbecue Trap House is where I throw it down. I'm giving that New York flavor in Phoenix, Arizona.
Phil the Grill.
What's up, guys? Yo, I got an open-faced ribeye with pepper jack and horseradish creamer.
You look like the barbecue superhero.
I'm the superhero of the Bronx.
The South Bronx?
Come on, that's the only part of the South I'm from.
We got 14 minutes, guys.
Thank you.
Backyard barbecue can be everything from hot dogs to hamburgers to ribs, but I know from competitions it's got to explode with flavor.
Just one ribeye.
My name's TUFFY Stone. I'm from Richmond, Virginia. I'm a 5-time world champion. I got inducted into the Barbecue Hall of Fame, but I'm also a French-trained chef.
All right, Tuffy, what's going on, brother?
Gonna do a ribeye steak, brown butter bacon drizzle with little balsamic vinegar reduction.
Very Francais. I like it.
Watching Bobby Flay 20 years in my cooking career, it'd be pretty cool being on Chef Bobby's team.
12:35, fellas, ladies and fellas. I'm sorry.
Good God.
Backyard barbecue stories is not very deep.
Hickory.
Growing up in my family, we didn't even have a grill. We didn't have a barbecue.
Lamb rack.
I'm going to cook something that I grew up eating.
That is awesome.
My name is Lene Oxley-Loop, and I'm from Battleground, Washington. I've competed in some really, really big events. At the Chopped gold medal games, then made it to the finals. At Sugar's Barbecue, my business, had people tell me that my brisket is the best they've ever had. My ribs are the best they've ever had.
All right, Lene.
So you got lamb.
Got a little rack of lamb, some fennel crust, and some mushrooms on the side.
All right.
Sounds good.
I have a lot of respect for Michael. I sort of mimic his cooking style. I want to be on his team.
Backyard barbecue is what it is. It's backyard barbecue. I remember growing up, my dad made a lot of tacos. It was always a big deal when Silver Queen corn came out. We'd buy a whole bunch of it, and then my dad used to make tortillas. My name is Leanne Whippen. I'm from Tampa, Florida, and I've been winning barbecue competitions for 22 years. I am owner and pitmaster at the Deviled Pig restaurant. I'm here to win for all the ladies out there.
Hi, Leanne.
Hi, Bobby.
Are you making a taco?
I am, and I am doing a chili rub skirt steak, and then I have grilled corn going into the salsa.
Right.
I want to be on Bobby's team because I grew up watching all his grilling shows. It would be a real honor to cook beside him.
7 minutes, guys.
Plenty of time. My barbecue style is West Tennessee style, very low and slow. If I wanted to get my history in one bite, hickory, take the hickory aspect of that, put this in this burger, which is one of the favorite things of my childhood.
Perfect.
My name is Kerry Bringle. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. I've achieved some national notoriety, and I've got the awards to prove that. At the Peg Leg Porker, we're known for a real Tennessee barbecue. I would love to take home the title of Master of Q, hang that title on Tennessee.
What you got going, Kerry?
My grandfather, Jack, first thing he taught me was smoked burgers. It was my inspiration for cooking.
Oh, very nice.
It's important that Michael likes this bite because I want to be on his team. Those burgers look amazing.
We got a minute to go, folks.
Get food on the plate, guys. Susie's cheese meatballs have kind of exploded on me.
No.
I am an absolute disaster. Somehow they got away from me, and I think they're a little bit over.
20 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop your grilling.
This is not how I really envisioned my first cook going. I know those meatballs are over.